Hello, my name is Abhishek Kale, and today's date is 3 September 2021. And today's video topic name is unchecked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Okay, so before I will explain in details what is checked exception and unchecked exception. But before that, I will explain what is exception and what is exception handling. Okay, so so the first point is that what is exception. Okay, the exceptions are the unexpected or unwanted events that disturbs the our program, uh, uh, disturbs the our program. Okay, and it is called as the exceptions. Okay, and the what is exception handling. Okay, exception handling, it is the it is the another alternative way to maintain the normal flow of our program. Okay, uh, and by handling the exceptions. Okay, so it is called as the exception handling. Okay, and the main core advantage of the exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the program. Java.util.throwable class, it is the root class of the exception handling. Okay, and it is classified into two types. Okay, first one is the exception and another one is the errors. Okay, and the exceptions is again classified into two types. Okay, which means such as checked exceptions, and another is the unchecked exceptions. Okay, and checked exceptions are have the types of such as SQL exceptions and the IO exceptions. Okay, unchecked exceptions are the exceptions such as arithmetic exceptions, array index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, and last one is the null pointer exception. Okay, so these are these are the exceptions of checked and unchecked exceptions. Okay, and there is a there is errors. Okay, errors are not non recoverable. Okay, and errors are classified into three types. Okay, so the first one is the out of memory error, stack overflow error, and the last one is the virtual machine error. Okay, so this is all about the errors. Okay, and the next point is that checked exceptions. Okay, the classes which directly inherits the throwable class instead of runtime exceptions is called as the checked exceptions. Okay, and the checked exceptions are checked at the compile time. Okay, and the example of the checked exceptions are SQL exceptions and the IO exceptions. Okay, if checked exceptions occurred in our program, then we cannot complete our program, or we cannot run the our program, because it shows the checked exceptions. Okay, that's why we have to handle that error. Okay, but we can handle checked exceptions by using try catch block and finally block. Okay, in try block, we write we write or place the code where the exceptions are occurred. Okay, and in cache block we handle the exceptions. Okay, and in finally block, we write the code which is important. Okay, because the ability of finally block is that it will execute either exception is handled or not, exception is not handled. Okay, so so the next point is that unchecked exception. Okay, the classes which directly inherits the runtime exceptions instead of throwable class is called as the unchecked exceptions. Okay, unchecked exceptions are checked at runtime exceptions. Okay, and runtime exceptions are such as arithmetic exceptions. Okay, and another one is the string index out of bound exception, array index out of bound exceptions, and the runtime exceptions. These are the examples of the unchecked exceptions. Okay, unchecked exceptions occurred at the runtime. Okay, and the also we can handle the runtime exceptions or unchecked exceptions by using the try catch block. Okay, by using the try catch block. Okay, let's take the example of the arithmetic exceptions, which is unchecked exceptions. Okay, if in the in a program, if int a is equal to 10 and the int b is equal to 0. Okay, if we divide a by b, then it will give the for sure it will give the arithmetic exception. Okay. We can handle that arithmetic exception by using the try catch block. Okay. So the second unchecked exceptions example is that array index out of bound exceptions. Okay, let's suppose a array of 5 length of length of 5. Okay, uh, if we put or insert a element in that array, which is which is more than its length. Okay, then it will shows the array index out of bound exception. Okay, and the next exception is that string index out of bound exceptions. Okay, let's suppose there is ex, one string. Okay, such as string s1 is equal to in double quote Pune. Okay, if we sys out in sys out we if we s1 dot char at 10 index. Okay, then it will give the string index out of bound exceptions. Okay, we can handle that exception by using the by using the try catch block. Okay, so this is all about the checked exceptions and the unchecked exceptions. Okay, thank you.